Hello students, welcome to SGI online classes of chemistry by Anamika Sachan. Today is the revision class of class 9th and the topic is properties of liquid. Student, that is a liquid substance which have intermolecular particles. Those type of particles which are used in the formation of liquid known as intermolecular particles. These particles are known as intermolecular particles. And force of attraction between these particles is known as intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Which space present between all these particles is known as intermolecular space. Students, the first property of liquid is liquid have fixed volume but indefinite shape. For example, like as that is a water substance inside of this bottle. The shape of bottle is not fixed, but coverage area of water is fixed, and the coverage area is known as volume. So you can say that volume is fixed, but it have indefinite shape because liquid don't have any type of shape. When you put the liquid in glass, it converted into glass shape. When it put into a bucket, it converted into bucket shape. That is why you can say that it don't have fixed shape but having fixed volume. Volume is a coverage area. The second one property is it don't have fixed boundary. For example, when you put in a water in my hand, that is why it flow in different boundary. That is why you can say that the boundary of water is not fixed. The boundary of liquid is not fixed. So you can say that it don't have fixed boundary. The third property is it have low force of attraction. Why? Because these are the intermolecular particles. The distance of intermolecular particles in liquid is too much high. That is why the force of attraction between, what is force of attraction? Force of attraction is that type of force which is used for the bind of particles. The attraction, the distance of two particles is too much far. That is why it have low intermolecular force. It have low intermolecular force. The fourth one property is it have high kinetic energy. Why? Because if you put the any liquid substance in any surface, the particles of liquid is easily moved, and those type of energy which is required for the movement of particles is known as kinetic energy. Liquid particles is easily moved, that is why you can say that it have high kinetic energy. It have high kinetic energy. That is why particles of liquid is easily movable. And intermolecular space between two particles is too much high. You can also say that the compressibility of liquid is also high. It have high compressibility. For example, if you want to push the water, then it is easily pushed. That is why you can say that liquid have high compressibility. It have compressibility. For example, like as in होली बैलून्स में आप वाटर फिल अप कर लेते होगे एंड इजिली आप उसे कंप्रेस कर सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन से दैट इट हैव हाई कंप्रेसिबिलिटी एंड इट हैव कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.